evening, folks, or good afternoon, depends when you're watching this. Good morning, perhaps. Today is December 16th and 2020, and the time is 4:12 p.m. Markets did close about 12 minutes ago, and this is my first update video on. So this is my second video on this channel. I already gave the explanation of why all my videos got deleted, so if you haven't watched it, watch the video below this or the video before this. What I'll be doing today is talk to you about what happened to my portfolio, what's going on, what I'm down on, what I'm up on, and just give you an explanation of what we're going to be doing for the future. And let's start off with fisker, so ticker FSR. So if you remember, we bought Fisker at $14.96 at an average. So I think initially we bought it around in the $15 range, and then averaged down when it went to $14.50, and we got like an average price of $14.96. I did sell my Fisker that day I made the video. I think I described that I was going to make that I was going to sell my shares of FSR. So I did calculate how many. Well, I sold all 324 shares, and I sold it at a 4% gain. It was about 60 cents a share, so times 324, so it was about a $200 gain. So really happy about that. It did go to $16, but I just took my profits as it was coming closer to the week, and I used that money, what I made off of Fisker, and put them into new positions and averaged down on my new swing trades. Well, not new ones, but I just added more to Facebook, IPOC, and NETE. I'm just gonna describe what happened there. Alright, so now that we got Fisker out of the way, that's already sold. Fisker is no longer part of my swing trade holding. If I do see an opportunity with Fisker in the future, I would say I'll let you know if I will be placing an order. But for now, I'm just going to play these three stocks. I'm really confident on them. So I'll describe what I did, and let's start off with Facebook. So with my update with all my three positions, it's Facebook, IPOC, and NETE. So FB, IPOC, and Net Element. Okay, so starting with Facebook, we bought Facebook at a price of $273.95. I had 20 shares, if you remember, on my last video. What I did was I bought more at $267, and what I did was I averaged down, and then I quickly sold those shares for a little profit at $275, and now I'm back to 10 shares. So currently we're still break even on Facebook. I will be looking to buy more shares if it does go below 270 all the way to 260. There are some challenges that Facebook is facing with privacy law and all that, but I am bullish on their short-term technical based on my analysis. Again, do your due diligence before investing. So break even on Facebook. Next is IPOC. I did buy another position on IPOC. I was day trading it, so I was buying and selling it throughout the day. So we have a cost per share of $11.05, so pretty much break even. Nothing really changed there. And then we got a Net Element. We got 252 shares at an average price of $12.70. So I did buy more Net Element on a dip. It went to $11.90. I bought it around it went to $11.80, I think even $11.60, and I did buy on a dip around $11.90. So that brought my price down to $12.70. I think that was at $13.90 on my average cost on my last buy-in. So pretty much up 12 bucks, but pretty much break even, I would consider it. So yeah, not much movement. Fisker, we made a little bit of money on that, which I was happy about. So far, I'm gonna, based on the feedback I've been getting, what I want to be doing as well is I'll incorporate some basics of stocks. A lot of you have been asking me to, and a lot of you have been giving me really good positive feedback about my videos. Like currently, what I'm doing is I'm giving you a price target of a stock with a good buy price and a good sell price. So I want to make sure that you're getting a good deal when buying, and giving you a target to sell it at. So that's what I'm doing. Again, this is not an exact science. So if you do see profits and you're comfortable with the profits, I always say take profits and never get greedy. So, sometimes like with Fisker, for example, it did go down to 14.55, and I did say I was going to buy it if it did dip, but it didn't fulfill our full price target of 16.45 on a day trade. So, I mean, it will definitely, in the long term, probably go to that price even higher. But, sometimes it's best to take profits. 4% on a trade is amazing. If you ask any banker, any financial advisor, 11%, 10% a year is amazing, and that's unheard of almost. So to get 4% on a swing trade in a couple of days is quite remarkable. But again, trade at your own risk level. Always do your due diligence. I'll be making more videos on like the basics of stocks. And yeah, if you have any questions, have any feedback, please feel free to comment, or you can email me now. I have an email. It's aistockalerts@gmail.com. So that's aistockalerts@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a great day.